Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best fight sticks that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Mayflash F300 Arcade Fight Stick. One of the most popular cheap best fight stick options on Amazon, the Mayflash F300 is another great starter stick. This peripheral features turbo functionality for mapping multiple button presses, as well as a switch for making the joystick behave as either a D-pad or an analog stick. It's also popular for its easy modifiability. There's just one catch. When using the F300 on a PlayStation or Xbox, you'll have to plug that console's controller into it to use the stick. It supports the X input and DInput when being used on PC, supports the turbo functions with different speed settings. You can toy with the D-pad, and X, Y analog axis mode can be exchanged. A Sony PS4 controller is required when using on a PS4 game console, and a Microsoft Xbox 360 or Xbox One controller is required when using on a Xbox 360 or Xbox One game console. Moving on at number 4, we have Quamba Drone. Fighting games are a lot easier on fight sticks, but you might not want to pay the price of a brand new game console just to get an edge in a few games. The Quamba Drone lets you get in on the button mashing, quarter circle action of fighting games for just $80. That's only a little more than you'll pay for a game and pretty well in line with the price of other game controllers. The Quamba Drone has a decent bit of flexibility, offering X input and direct input support to use with Sony consoles and PC, though its button layout is for PlayStation games. Quamba is using its own arcade buttons and joystick, but you can mod the platform if you decide you want to go with the ever-popular Sanwa parts later on. The Quamba Drone is ready for you to take with you to tournaments, too. At number 3, we have Mayflash F500 Elite. For whatever reason, the Xbox has more or less been left out in the arcade fight stick market in recent years. A lot of the really good options only support PlayStation, and that leaves Xbox gamers with only a few solid options. Fortunately, the Mayflash F500 Elite supports Xbox Series 10 and has the incredible build quality you want in a fight stick. On the Mayflash F500 Elite, you'll find all the controls you need for your favorite fighting games. The high-end Sanwa components make for buttons that are impressively responsive, and the joystick is perfectly precise, so you will be able to maintain peak performance game after game. It is even made for modding out, so you can fiddle around and get everything to your liking. At number 2, we have 8-Bit Do Arcade Stick. Plenty of great fighting games have come over to the Nintendo Switch, even though they face the fierce competition of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. If you're all smashed out and want to enjoy those other fighting games to the fullest, a fight stick can make your experience better and make it easier to control with the precision these games require. 8-Bit Do has made an excellent arcade stick that's perfectly at home on the Nintendo Switch. The 8-Bit Do arcade stick has awesome, retro NES styling. It also has illuminated button labels that show you exactly which switch controls each button represents, and it can even change to a second set of illuminated button labels for PC controls. And finally at number 1, Hori Fighting Stick Mini. At just $49, the Hori Fighting Stick Mini is the best fight stick option for folks who want to see what sticks are all about before throwing down hundreds of dollars. Compatible with PS4, PS3 and PC, this tiny stick is highly portable. The peripheral features a traditional 8-button layout and provides easy access to the PS4's share button for recording those crazy combos. Despite its small size, the Fighting Stick Mini 4 is surprisingly comfortable with ample room to rest your wrists, and the rubberized feet grip firmly to smooth surfaces for stability. This wired controller features a long cable, share button, and other convenient functions. Perfect for fighting games, arcade-style games, and much more.